I've owned my Instant Pot for 6+ years now, and I absolutely love it. I use it to make rice, steel cutouts, beans, soups, stews, so many things. And it has a lot of options here on the menu. Here's the soup preset, so that would give you 30 minutes on normal. You have a meat and stew button, and you have a bean and chili. And here you have your poultry button, slow cooker, and you can adjust the time. Just hit the plus button to adjust your time for your slow cooker, so you can put something in the morning, leave for work, and come back 8 hours later. It will be ready for you. To clear that, you just hit the cancel button. You can also hit the manual button and adjust whatever time you want. If I wanted something in here for 6 minutes at high pressure, it would be there. If I wanted to adjust the pressure to low, I can. And I can also put a timer on here. Also sautés. You can adjust the intensity, less to normal to high. An example, I would saute my onions and garlic and carrots or celery. You can saute right in the pot. Once it's sauteed, then you can add your broth and tomatoes or anything else you would add to your pot. It also makes yogurt, so it has a yogurt setting, it has a steam setting, porridge, multigrain, and rice. So it's a rice cooker, slow cooker, yogurt maker, pressure cooker. It does everything. This is the only machine you're going to need, and I highly recommend it. If you are interested in this product, check out my Amazon link in the description below. Also, like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of these review videos. And also let me know in the comments what videos you would like to see next. Thanks for watching.